even see that air for food. You see? This one has flour. So yesterday when I was getting my squad back in their chicken coop, I discovered some weird things for the past 2 days. So I noticed that they have been coughing, sneezing. Yeah, I think they have the flu. So I was like, okay, I think this is a good time for me to share with my gardeners what are the causes of the chickens having flu, having a cough, chifine, and how best can we prevent it, and also how best can we cure it using natural. It's good not just to go into in a natural way. So I did some mixing of aloe vera, you can see. Yeah, and I also show you how they are sounding like. You get it? So I just hope they'll not get out. Push, push. This one, you can even see that air for food. You see? This one has flour as well. So it's too bad. So hi gardeners, farm next door, a place where we grow food in small scales, but every seed, every animal counts. So today we'll talk about on the natural remedies that we use when we discover that our chickens have flu, have a cough. So I'll explain on the cough can be caused by different things. It can be caused through parasites, bacteria, sometimes even housing itself, air ventilation. So as for parasites, then we have these worms. In my culture we call it injoka za mimba. If you're humans, most we're given a binders to eat, but squad. Okay, they're my friends. It's my squad. We give them aloe vera or charcoal powder. We crush the charcoal powder and then the sungonole, and we dilute it in that means a palm of charcoal like this. I don't know how many grams could it be. I think next time I should try to see how many grams it could be. And we take 1 2-liter bottle, we put it in there, and then we dilute and give each and every bird half a teaspoon for 3 days. As for aloe vera, now the reason why we give them through mouth is because the water will be dark. I'm a cow would send how them be, they are afraid. What's this? This is not the water that we usually drink. Okay, they have senses. Just because they are chickens, it doesn't mean that they don't have sense. They do. So you find themselves that they're afraid they're not drinking. Hence, that means they'll stay the whole day without drinking water. And with the flu, it's not good. Even as people, we are advised to drink a lot of water when we're having flu. So it's expected of them to have a lot of water when they're having flu. So it can be as for aloe vera, just do the usual. I posted the video on how I do aloe vera. Go watch it, and we give them for 5 consecutive days. If you have garlic and chili, you can also use it. It's so effective. But best, I recommend to use aloe vera, because when you're using aloe vera, it treats a lot of things. Unlike charcoal. Charcoal, yes, you do with the smell, you do with the problem of the respiratory disease, because it's an respiratory disease. So the worms, they've broke their lungs, making them to have difficulty in breathing. Sometimes they have a swollen face. They will produce the mamina, the mucus. The owls, if they're laying eggs, the way of laying the eggs is here and there. They don't lay as usual, as expected of them, because they are stressed. Sometimes this can be caused by air ventilation, Yeah, pena, so sometimes ammonia dust, not cleaning their coop, so that also the smell should be causing them to feel some discomfort. And then sometimes also temperature changes for my chicken is because of temperature change. It's been learning what and what. So I think I posted this other video, they were wet, drained, so on and off. Other days we have sunny, other days we have lanes, like 3 consecutive days. And I don't know what they think. I made some shade that they can hide from there, but they don't. Even there we have a space that they can hide, but they don't. You find themselves that they're still moving since the lanes been raining the whole day. So mine, the cause of this is because of temperature changes, so we'll see how best we can do it. I was thinking of just to make sure that they don't go out. When we get them outside from their coop, we should put them there, and because they should be eating there, so that if it's learning, they shouldn't come out for temporary for controlling the temperature. Yeah, so don't be afraid. Just check around. If you have noticed this in your chickens, check around. What from what I've mentioned, what could be one of the things that you are doing? Is it the housing? There's no proper air ventilation. Is it that you haven't cleaned their houses, their coop, like kukonza mukuchosa manyoa, ukolola harvesting their manure? Is it that the diet is not okay? Sometimes the diet can be the causative. When was the last time you gave them mankwala njoga za mimba? You see, things like those. Check properly. Actually, chickens are easy to keep. They are fun, easy to keep. Just make sure that you follow them, you understand them, you observe them. They're like, if you are raising them, they're like part of you. They're like a family. They are little babies. So today I'm going to give them aloe vera. It's going to be the first day. And as for taco, I said I will give you a sample. I think in my next video, I should do it in my next video. I'll give you example on how best I can, on how I would administer the medicine. But as now I'm rushing to work, I also have to cook. So how do you? But I'm giving medicine today, so I couldn't miss to share with my fellow gardeners who are passing through the same things on how best we can do it. So stay there and see how I would do it. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, share the farm next door, and also to comment in the comment section. Feel free to ask any questions. I'm available to answer anytime, any day. Yeah, so first, make sure that you shake it properly. Yeah. So do this for 5 consecutive days, so that we should be sure that they've completely been healed. Once we are done with that, we can also administer 2 days of charcoal deliberately for control of smell and other for control of smell and other things. The good thing about using natural remedies when treating your birds is that you can eat during the process. Once with the chemicals medicine, most of the times you are told not to eat. I know, wait until this section date, but with this, if you don't have relish in your home, you can always catch one and eat, even during the time of treating session. I'm also giving my doves so they should be treated soon. And also the guinea fowl tools. We don't spare anyone. They are one family, big family, so we make sure. So you can do anything. I keep on saying you can do anything with what you have. You need to start. Like there's no a specific time. There's no perfect time. This is the perfect time to start. So yeah. Oh, oh.